Yeah, actually, step by step, I came to this step. Basically, I turned that 200 pound to 8,000 now. Hi, hi, Bowen. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, I got my hero back. Early, you all remember how it was look like. Have a look now. New bed, all cap we remove before you saw in our video. Now we make it as a recovery truck. Also, if you need, you can tow also well. Yeah, but still not finished yet. Done the bed, all good, new winch. Then I need to make it nice sign here to make it nice. I'm going to design my logo, phone number, and I'm going to do like a nice luminous sticker here, name here, and also I need to buy bits and bits for this one. I done the research last couple of weeks, and I need a basically jack, high visible jacket, trouser, safety boot, and straps for the hold the vehicle. Yeah, and I want to fix couple of fog light facing towards that side, because when I go to work night time, it's very helpful. And also I'm decided to make a markers like a small light, one, two, three, four, maybe five for the each side, make it nice at the night time. And there is a beacon top of the roof. I need to make it that one also slightly change, like I'm happy to go with the like a LED nice beacon. Yeah, and also I'm decided to take a training, because this is new for me. I don't have a previous experience, but sometime without any experience, when you go to the field, might be you can do lot of mistake. I don't want to do any mistake at the field. I need to go to the field with 100% confidence. If I don't have a confidence, I'm not going to the field. That is my own way. When I do something, when I going to do something, make sure do it proper way, because don't going to leave it anyone to fingers up for you. And also everything effective end of the jobs, whatever training, jacket, safety, everything all together into the job. Then after that you can complete nice and good job without any hesitate. That's why my main target at the moment. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, if you have experience, if you might be you are recovery driver, you have a good experience better than me, would you mind please comment below, mention your experience, mention what I had to do, any legal side, insurance, whatever you thinking helpful for me, please comment below, really appreciate. Also, if you still not watch my first video, start from my first video, because I'm talking starting a business with 200 pound. Yeah, actually step by step I came to this step. Basically I turned that 200 pound to 8,000 now. At the moment I have a 8,000 pound value truck with me, but I'm not going to stop from here. I'm going to start this one as another income. I need to do the nice website, I need to do advertising, lot of things need to do. But if you have any experience in the field, let me know, guide me, how you done, how you get the business, like that things, really appreciate. Okay, please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get a lot of videos, and you can start as a businessman like me following this channel. Thank you, see you in the next video.